This is how we can change featured photos on the iPhone. So you probably have a widget of your photos on the home screen and you just want to change the photos which are featured in here. So you can at first tap on one of the pictures which shows up and you have the ability to click the three dots next to it and remove this one from featured photos, which would mean that you no longer get this particular image featured in your widgets or in other places possibly. And that's the first step because you can remove it and now it's going to be a different picture on the widget. However, what a lot of people prefer is instead of choosing the photo widget which contains featured photos, they just go to the edit mode, click on this and open up a new widget, add a new widget which is going to be the Photos app. So I'm going to get to the Photos app specifically, like this, and as you can see, the first widget is showing featured photos, the second one as well but in a different shape, but the third one the same thing, but then we have the album section, and these are the widgets for photos which also have three different sizes, but they don't just randomly give you featured photos but only those from a particular album which you fully control. So for example, if I added this widget to my home screen, right, you can see that I get to pick the album from those which I manually created on my device, and those photos will be displayed on my home screen. So I don't have to worry about some random pictures popping up on my device. I can control it fully because I can, for example, pick a widget which is going to be the album from I don't know, the like I have plenty of them, but like whatever, I'm going to choose the Snapchat widget, right? And now the photos which are in the Snapchat photo album are going to be presented on my home screen, right? So as you can see, I have this one in there and I can add some pictures in here, and this is now going to be shown on the widget in there. So that's essentially how it works. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.